Welcome to 2M Lingo's video tutorial series. In this video today, we will be looking at how to create a requester account. It is most likely that you have received an invitation from your account administrator to create a requester account. If this invitation is in your inbox, it should look something like this. Open the email, click on the Accept button, and you will be taken to the 2M Lingo welcome page. Then select a password containing at least one lowercase, one uppercase, one special character and a number. And also make sure that your password is at least 8 characters long, but is not longer than 50. Confirm your password, agree to the terms and conditions after you have carefully read them, and then click on Create Account. If you will be using a tablet or an iPad, you are encouraged to download a suitable app. In order to log into your account, click on the Sign into your account link at the bottom. In the next window, insert your email as your username and enter your newly created password. Once you're in, please complete your profile, enter your name, provide a telephone number, and confirm the source language. And when all is done, click on the Save button, and now you can familiarize yourself with the dashboard where you will be making appointments soon.